Hi everyone, this is Kristen, and if you're looking for a seriously protective case for your iPhone XR that has great grip and an included lanyard, you might want to check out the Pursuit by OtterBox. So this is OtterBox's thinnest, toughest, and most protective case for iPhone XR. We have it here in clear and black today. Let's check these out on my iPhone XR in coral. Looking at the construction of the Pursuit, this is a two-piece case that is made of a combination of proprietary polycarbonates and TPE rubber. The rubber is on the side and the polycarbonate is on the back as well as the sides and the inside of the case. The clear version has a glossy clear polycarbonate back and the same sides as the black version. The black one has a matte finish on the exterior. In order to install your phone in the Pursuit case, you first need to take it apart. So locate the two little notches, one on this side and one on that side, and then start peeling away the rubber here from the sides so that you can remove what they call the lid, which is this like rim that runs around the edges. I don't know why they say lid. To me, lid is an odd word. I would use rim, but they say lid. So you want to pull it apart. It's a soft rubber, but it does take a little pulling apart in order to get it out. Once that's done, take your phone and put it in volume side first and lay it down in place. Goes in very easily. Then you're going to want to take the lid and put it into place starting at the bottom. Essentially what you're going to be doing is pressing it into place and kind of tucking it underneath the rubber. So put the bottom in first and then move up to the top and get the top corners in. And then do the sides last. And then afterwards, just check the edges and make sure that everything's tucked under as it should be, and you're good to go. If you want to install the included lanyard, you can do this at any point. Simply just attach it down here at the bottom. Got to put the loop thing through here and pull it through, and then pull the rest of it through to attach. Looking at the fit of this case, we have a nice secure fit on the phone, no sagging or anything anywhere. This is one of the advantages of going with a two-piece case install. Really good job here by the folks at OtterBox. We have lots of protection here for your screen. Very nice high lip on here. This is going to give tons of protection. So this will work with OtterBox's Alpha Glass screen protector, but that's not the one that I have on here right now. I currently have the Rhino Shield Impact Protection screen protector on here. Fits really well with this case. If you use a screen protector with this case, though, you should go either with the OtterBox Alpha Glass or with some other case-compatible screen protector, because if you try to put this on with something that is not case-compatible with one of those edge-to-edge screen protectors, then it's probably not going to fit very well at all because of the design of the case. So definitely go case compatible if you're going to go with a screen protector on this, or to be on the safe side, go with the OtterBox Alpha Glass. So looking down here at our port opening areas, this case does have port protection. So we have a little door here that is protecting your lightning port. It's easy to open here. It's a little rubber door here, and although the area here is relatively deep, it's easy to get access to your lightning port area, and this should fit many third-party lightning cables. Case does support wireless charging though, so you might be using that less often than you otherwise would. As far as your speaker and microphone area, you might notice that they're not down here where you'd expect them to be. Instead, they're actually routed here toward the front so that the sound is going to go toward you rather than toward the bottom. I think that that's a really good design decision. I don't notice any issues with audio on this case. Everything works really well, and there is an audio transparent membrane down here which is going to protect your speaker and microphone area while still letting audio through clearly, which is great. Going around to the sides here, we have a really nice grip on the case due to this TPE rubber. Feels really good, really secure in the hands. So as far as our buttons are concerned, they're nice and clicky, no issues there, and it's really easy to get to your mute switch, but oddly enough, there's no protection for the mute switch area. Don't really know why they made that decision, because you'd expect with this type of case that you'd have some sort of a rocker switch or something like that to protect your mute switch area, but it's actually quite open, so I don't know why they did that. And then going over here to our side button, very responsive, no issues there. Going to the back of the case, this is made of a proprietary polycarbonate material with a matte finish, should be fingerprint and scratch resistant, has a very nice feel to it, feels very well made. And we do have some pretty obtrusive branding down here. The OtterBox branding is pretty hard to miss, so be aware of that if you're sensitive to branding. Going over here to our camera opening, got plenty of protection for the protruding camera, although there isn't any kind of plastic cover or anything like that on here, so be sure to keep that area clean so that you'll be able to take good pictures. And of course, this case, as mentioned before, does support wireless charging. One nice feature here, design-wise, is that we have a little bit of a rim that runs around here, which is going to help against scratching, because when you put this down flat on a flat surface, it is going to keep this section a little bit raised. So really not so much an issue here with this matte black version, because this is pretty scratch resistant to start with, but with the clear version we're going to look at next, it is going to be more helpful, because clear polycarbonate always tends to scratch more than this matte finished colored polycarbonate like we have on here right now. But overall, this case has a really nice feel in the hand. Love the lanyard, love the rubber on the sides, and a nice secure fit on the phone. Installing your phone in the clear version of the Pursuit is exactly the same as what we've just been doing. Just be extra sure to make sure that both the case and your phone are clean when they are put in there. Otherwise, any trapped dust or dirt is going to look ugly. So obviously we're going to have the same exact excellent fit on our clear version of the Pursuit. Same amount of lip on here for your screen. Same arrangement down here with the port openings. So the sides obviously are going to look exactly the same. The difference is only going to be with our clear back. Looking at the back of the case, this has all of the same features that I already mentioned when going over the black version of the Pursuit. This is wireless charging compatible. You got plenty of protection for your protruding camera, and it's got a great hand feel. The areas, of course, where it differs are the fact that this is a glossy clear polycarbonate and the other one is a matte polycarbonate, which is not clear. So glossy clear polycarbonate has a tendency to show fingerprints and to scratch. It does not, however, tend to yellow, so you are going to be good there. TPU yellows and glossy clear polycarbonate tends to scratch. So scratching is going to be a hazard with this. The rim that I mentioned before that runs around the edges that holds this a little bit above any kind of a flat surface is definitely going to help reduce scratching over time, but you have to be aware that scratching is something that is a hazard with this type of case. And as far as fingerprinting, I would definitely keep a microfiber cloth handy, because this will pick up fingerprints over time. But overall, I think it does a wonderful job in showing off your beautiful iPhone. Love the way my coral looks in it. This is a nice case which is going to do a great job in showing off your iPhone and giving it great protection while doing so. Again, we've been looking at the OtterBox Pursuit for iPhone XR. This case is available directly from OtterBox, OtterBox Asia, and a multitude of other retailers, and it has an MSRP of $79.95. We have a total of 4 colors available, the black and clear versions shown here, as well as a gray and maroon version and a green and gold version. Many thanks to the kind folks at OtterBox Asia for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions about these cases, please feel free to put them in the comments below, and I will do my best to address them. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do consider it, because I have lots more case and accessory reviews yet to come. Again, this is Kristen with the OtterBox Pursuit for iPhone XR. Enjoy your iPhone and have a wonderful day.